So once you have verified that you either have a lower version or you don't have Python installed, you're going to come out to the python.org site, go to downloads and download the current version. Then you will need to go to the folder you downloaded to. And typically what I do is I just right click and I run as administrator. And I'm going to say yes. Now, we do need to add Python to path. And we actually don't need to launch it at this time. Okay, so it is important that you turn on add Python to path. Okay, and then we are going to go ahead and install now. So as you can see, it is taking a while. So finally, it is done installing. So I'm just going to verify that the installation was successful. So I'm going to go back into PowerShell here. And you can either key in py or Python, either one. Okay, and now I can actually see that it's there. And then to get out of Python, I'm going to key in exit. Now, you can also key in Control and Z. Oops. Actually, this version does not like Python. It just wants py. You should be able to do Control and Z. However, that did not work for me. So when I did Control and Z, oh, it worked this time. So Control and Z. Let's try that again. Control and Z, and then press Enter. There you go. So either exit or Control and Z, which is going to look kind of like that, and then press Enter.